Okay, ladies, few things are more frightening than having an aggressive man on top of you trying to dominate you and or beat you into submission. It is critically important here that you keep your head and that you think critically, that you, number one, protect yourself from getting hurt, and number two, escape to a safer position from which you can attack. Yes. So here, I try to punch her twice. She's blocking me with her snake fist on the left hand. Her right hand is holding my shoulder, making it nearly impossible to punch her. I had to test her out with that evil laugh.
Scary.
Yes, it was.
Very good. Very nice.
Very good. Yes.
Excellent.
Yes.
So here, I tried to sit up in order to get better distance and better leverage to hit her, and she goes with me. Look at that. She follows me, staying absolutely close. This is distance management. Now she's thinking 2 moves ahead, critical thinking. She knows she wants to get me back down, so she's back on her back so that she can escape to a safer position, keeping me close the entire time. That's how you fight fire with water. Lots of gems here. So here, I'm on top, but then she uses the hook, her right foot, to lift my leg easily and come out from underneath. I'm no longer on top. Now she has me in her half guard. That's an excellent move, approaching 3/4 guard. Controlling my head, controlling my wrist. Distance management, very good, very nice. Thinking several moves ahead of the attacker. Excellent. Get rid of the base. Figure 4 footlock. You can't see it there, but that's a broken ankle. So here, she's got me in her 3/4 guard. She's holding my head down. She's also controlling my wrist, so I can't hit her. So I'm gonna stand up to get better leverage in order to hit her. Immediately, her feet go to my hips in order to keep the distance, ladies. Very important. I can't reach her with that punch. Very important. She controls one of my arms right there. She goes for my ankle, thinking 2 moves ahead. She knows she wants to get that leg. So she grabs my ankle so I can't step back. Once she secures the ankle, again, she keeps at least 1 foot on my hips. So I can't get close enough to hit her. I want to hit her. I want to dominate her. There, she sees the opportunity. She threads her right leg around my leg, buckling my knee with this kick right there. I go to the ground. Immediately, she starts to attack my ankle. I try to get up twice. And she twists my ankle there. That's a foot lock. If you don't tap, it's a broken ankle.
Good reaction.
Very good work again. Thank you, Lois.